Hi everyone, and welcome to the very first day of our 5-day free LinkedIn challenge. Take your profile from zero to hero to start attracting your dream clients. So it's kicking off today, and as in the title, it's all about getting your profile in check. Having the right profile is like having a passport to go traveling. You're not going to go very far without it. Like, you can already start reaching out to people on LinkedIn, that's absolutely fine, and you might even get some leads. But having your profile there and having it optimized and just presented in a professionally polished way, that's really going to show who you are and what your skills are and what you can actually do for your dream clients. That's going to be the key to just bringing those leads in consistently, along with a couple other things that I'm going to throw in throughout this week. So let's kick off today with the very first part of your profile, which is going to be your header image and your profile picture. Both of these are so important. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link my LinkedIn profile in the comments below so you can see visually what I'm talking about. So starting with the header image, first of all, it should look professional and very simple. When people have like a picture of them, you know, and their family, or they're at a party, they're at a pub, it just doesn't look too good, doesn't scream professional to me. So what I'm going to do, because again it's easy for me to say this, but it's actually about creating it. So Jade is going to drop in a video showing a very simple tutorial on Canva. You know, she's an amazing graphic designer and hates Canva because it's not Photoshop. Because she loves this challenge as much as I do, she's very graciously decided that she's going to do a very quick Canva tutorial to show you how to make that cover image for LinkedIn and how to make it professional. So what your cover image should include, just a little bit of a your one line of who you are and what you do. So again, you can check my profile that I've dropped below in the comments, and it just quickly sums up like who I am and what we do at May Smith Media. And I've also included the website there. Like, I know that's not clickable, but our website, maysmithmedia.com, it's not too hard to remember. If you see it in the header image, it's so easy to then just type that in on your browser. And also the font that has been used and the colours, this is in our branding. So it's getting people used to our brand and used to the, you know, seeing May Smith Media as many places as possible. It's helping, like, you know, brand awareness, brand recognition. So your cover image, it's the very first thing that people see in your LinkedIn profile. Needs to be professional, needs to be in your branding, and to give a little bit of info about who you are and what you do. So once you've got your cover image set up, the next thing, again, so important. Everything I cover throughout this week, it all, like, every little bit is so important. I'm not just saying this to hear myself speak. I hate speaking on video. So I'm saying each bit because it's so important. So your profile picture. A lot of people might think this is an obvious one, but trust me, I've seen this done so wrong. There's nothing worse than when somebody has a group profile picture on LinkedIn, because it's almost being like being back in Tinder. You're trying to figure out who the person is that you're speaking to. Yeah, nobody wants that. So for LinkedIn, your profile picture, the first most important thing is it needs to be an image of you. So image of you. Secondly, smile. Very simple. You need a smile because you need to look approachable. Think about it this way: if you land on somebody's LinkedIn profile and they look as grumpy as all hell, are you really going to be that excited to start reaching out to them? No, absolutely not. So smile, very simple. And yes, have a big grin, or just keep it professional, keep it friendly. So yeah, little smile goes a long way. And as I've said, professional. If you have a professional headshot, that's amazing, use that. If you don't, as you'd see in mine, it's actually just an image we've taken ourselves here, but you know, it does the job. It's very it's bright colours. There's nobody else in it apart from me. I am looking approachable. So again, you can click on my profile in the link below and upload something similar of yourself. So yeah, if you've got a headshot, professional image, fantastic. If you don't worry. Don't put it off either until, say for example, you're going to get headshots next month. Don't delay this until then. for the time being, use something that you've taken yourself or that a friend's taken of you. So yeah, so it should be professional, image of you, smile, look approachable, and yeah, that's it as well. Keep it bright. So there's nothing worse as well than when you look at somebody's image and it's just so dark, because straight away you just, your mind's not going to spend the time trying to figure out what sort of person they are. You're just going to skip over and move on. So make it bright. And like if you're a whiz with editing photos, great. I'm not, but that's it. We just need to keep it simple today, folks. So header image, keep it clean, professional in your branding, your same fonts, a little bit about what you do and your website. And then for your profile image, again, keep it as professional as possible. Image just of you, smile, and have it nice and bright. So that's it. And as I've said before, Jade is going to drop a little video in here that's going to show you very quickly and simply how to make a header or cover image, whatever you want to call it, on Canva, so that we can all be on the same wavelength. So that is your task for today. So header image and profile image. And tomorrow we're going to move on to the next thing. Now, as well, if you're in this challenge and you've already got a fantastic header image, you've got an amazing profile picture, and you're thinking, Blannon, what am I going to do tonight? Let's start connecting with people, because that is one of the things with LinkedIn. So it's a professional network. Look, if your dream clients are going to be on there, although having an amazing profile is a great way of attracting them, but I am 100% a firm believer of not just sitting on your behind and waiting for people to come to you. Like, it does happen through, amazing content on your profile. However, you need to start connecting with people as well, because the more you're showing up and the more people you're connecting with, the more you're putting yourself out there, people are going to see you. So so if you've done everything that I've already asked for today's task, start connecting with people and get ahead, and then I will be back in tomorrow. So if you have any questions on that, let me know. I'll jump back in tomorrow and kick off day 2's task, and you'll also receive an email just covering again what day 1's task is. So see you tomorrow.